Hello guys, welcome to our channel. Today I am going to show you how to turn off Facebook autoplay videos on iPhone and Android. Okay, so let's get started. Then first of all, click on Facebook app, click on menu, scroll down, tap on settings and privacy, click on settings, scroll down. After that, tap on media. Okay, this option is on. Then click on never autoplay videos. Okay, then storage start with sound, then off. That's all. Thanks for watching. Please like, comments and subscribe. Thank you.